Hello, my name is Agnes. Some of you know me already. I have to tell you something very important. Yes, it's very serious, believe me. Because lately, I was thinking about identity and reality and existence. And then I came to the point that I really have to tell you something about myself, because I was thinking about my own existence and my identity and the reality of my being. And now I want to say something. I'm not real. Yes. It might sound a little bit shocking to you, but yes, I'm not real. I'm nothing but an image, a reflection on a mirror of life. I am, maybe I can put it in other words, I am just a copy. Uh, my existence is inspired by the existence of two other beautiful ladies who I love and adore. I love them really, and they're very talented and very, very special. Just like me, I'm also special. But they are more special than me because I am just a copy of them, I must admit. Some of you know them. I'm very close friends to them, and they used to have parties which were legendary. They were so exciting, and I really enjoyed them every time I was on their party. But now they are not partying anymore, which is a pity, I think. And many other people think so too. So, yes, I had to say, oh, and those two ladies, I want to tell you what names they have. They are Sabine and Gerda, and I just prepared a little presentation for you, so you can see them. You can also find them in the internet. You just Google them, Sabine and Gerda, and they also have a homepage, sabinegerda.com, I think, but they're not like, how do you say, they're not really doing things together anymore. But that's the way life goes, right? Sometimes it goes and then it goes not. Yes. So here's my little presentation. I hope you see it. This is. I hope you can really see it. This is Gerda, and this is Sabine. And here is, look at her beautiful legs. You have the beautiful legs. You unfortunately you not see her head, but here maybe, here she is very small. Here's her head, and here's the little disco mirror ball she holds in her hand. Yeah. So yeah, but I mean, this is very natural, right? You sometimes all of you know this phenomenon when oh, sorry, when you are very close to a person, and then you just, without thinking about it or without intending it, you just copy something, like little gestures, little habits, like the way you brush your teeth, or the way you menstruate. You know, women always menstruate the same way when they are very close together, and stuff like that. Yes, or the language, or the style, or I don't know. So this was very important. I wanted you to know that I am inspired by Sabine and Gerda, and yes, I'm just a copy. Beautiful copy though, I think. Don't you think? I think. But just a copy. But I'm alright, it's alright with me, and I hope it's also alright with you, especially for you, Sabine and Gerda. I don't know what Gerda's doing now. I know that Sabine is dancing a lot now. I also love dancing. Maybe we dance together someday. Who knows? And maybe Sabine and Gerda will have a party again someday. You know, you never know. So wherever you are, Sabine and Gerda, I send you all my love and all my adoration and all my everything. And yes, I love you. And thanks for the inspiration. Have a nice day.